Hi, welcome to this video. In today's video, I want to show you some standing movements just to stretch our whole body and also the shoulder area, right? Especially when we sit in front of desk for uh, several hours, right? Just to consume with our daily work or anything in front of us, right? So this just helps us to open up create more space in our shoulder area, right? And get the energy flowing through our entire body. It's very easy to access to this kind of movements, right? Just getting your yoga mat, and we're gonna start with the standing, feet hips apart, and just take a deep breath in, hands above your head. Inhale, then exhale, good hand to your forward bend. We're gonna do this a couple of times, right? And just stay right here, right? Really squeezing your belly, right? Bend your knees and push your hips toward the sky, right? And just move your hips from right to left, hands, fingertips on the floor, right? And then from here, we're gonna lower ourselves down to a squat, right? And if this is too tight for your hamstring or quads are tight for this, you can come up here to your toes, right? Hands on the floor, and just wiggle your hips like that, all right? And you move the weight from one foot to another, and then wiggle your hips, all right? And lower the knees to the floor when you go to the right side, right? And lower the left knee to the floor, and then you're gonna push yourself back to the forward bend again, okay? And really squeezing your belly. Let's see if we can go a little deeper this time. All right, from here, we're gonna bring our hands back to the top of our head, shifting our upper body, right hands up above, and palms touching, and then exhale, forward bend again, okay? And from forward bend, we're gonna lower ourselves down to the squat, right? Just wiggle your hips, right? Let's make this whole movement more fluid, right? More dynamic. All right, and then from here, we're gonna push ourselves back to the forward bend again. Keep your belly straight in, right? Forward bend. And relax your hands, right? Take your time, slowly come back to the top and bring your hands above your head. Inhale, let's do that one more time. Then exhale, forward bend. All right, hands on the floor, all right? Let's see if we can straighten your legs and knees this time. Then from here, bend our knees back, lower ourselves down to the squat, right? Hands on the floor, just wiggle your hips, right? And this time we're gonna put the left hand on the left knee, look up to the sky, right? You wanna rotate your upper body, right? So your neck just has a lot of space and you wanna look up towards the ceiling, right? And then back to the center, switch to the side, right? Left hand in front of your left knee, right hand behind on your right knee right there. All right, and look up to the top. And now from squat, we're gonna stay here, okay? Hand on the floor. We're gonna just extend your left leg out, pointing the toes, right? This is for the back of your leg. And you can feel this when you do the forward bend, right? So this is for the whole body right here. And then put the left hand in front of you, extend your right arm up. Take a couple breaths here, right? Just tune into your body and just really drop into the present moment, right? By tuning to the sensation of your body with each movement right here. Right now, you're gonna bring the left foot in, extend your right leg out, pointing the toes. All right, extend your left arm out and extend your right arm up. All right, back to the center. Just bring your hands in, okay? Bring the left leg, right foot in. Return to squat. Wiggle your hips a couple of times, right? And then straighten your legs back to the half forward bend. Forward bend. Let's see if we could go a little deeper this time. Wiggle your hips, right? And then just relax your arms, right? Let your arms dangling here. All right, no tension at all. Squeezing the belly, slowly straighten the upper body. Right, notice my head comes up last. And lower the shoulders down. Open your arms, all right? Now we're just gonna really loosen our arms, allow our arms just moving right here, right? Bring your feet a little bit apart, right? And just almost like you're dancing underneath the water, right? There's no resistance. Your hands, your fingertips are completely relaxed right here, all right? And then we're just gonna pretend we're playing piano underneath the water, right? And no resistance, just gently hit you wanna gently hit the piano keys, okay? Soft. All right, so your wrists are softened, right? Fingertips are softened. And just start moving your hands, or bring your hands next to your, bang your arms, right? Hands next to your ears, and just start moving your hands, okay? Moving your fingertips, right? You should start feeling the energy moving through your fingertips, your arms, right? Your forearms, and then just make a fist with your hand, just rotate your hand. Now we're gonna bring your hands back to the center, right? Take a deep breath in, hands above your head. Then you're gonna interlace your hands right here, right? So feet are firmly grounded on the floor, right? Turn your palms up towards the sky. Right now, we're gonna just tilt your body to the right, okay? So feet grounded, hips apart. Maybe you can bring your feet a little closer, but keep pushing your hips to the left. And then back to the center, exhale. Then inhale, then the next exhale, keep your hips to the right, right? Trying to bring your arm to the left. And now release back to the center. That feels super good, right? Like you're hitting hitting the body from different angles. You're stretching your body from different angles. Yeah, when you're doing the forward bend, that stretch the back of the body. Right, when you bring your hands up behind your back like this, you're stretching the front of your body, right? And then you hit your body to the side, right? Now just keep your movement a little bigger, hands, legs wider than your hips, just start moving your arms, right? Like I said in one of my videos, I did all these movements, right? When I had my shoulder injuries, right? Just the mindful movements to releasing the stress, tension in your body. And also every time you do these movements, you want to remind yourself, hey, I'm happy and healthy, right? My body is completely happy and healthy. All right, so whatever tension, pain your body carries, right? Just allow it to be released right now completely, okay? Start moving. And now you're gonna bring your hands to your waist and turn your right foot to the right, all right? Standing like this, right? Both legs are straight. Right, we're gonna take a deep breath in, open your arm towards the back of your body. So you wanna lift the front of your body from the belly area, right? Open your hands and then exhale, go down to the half forward bend, right? Extend your body forward, arms forward, palms facing each other, all right? And then back to the center, push yourself back to the top using the strength of your legs. Right now, hands back to the waist, turn your body to the left, right? So left foot forward, right? Inhale, open your arms, trying to bring your arms towards the back of your body, right? Squeezing your belly, lift your heart towards the sky. Inhale, right, then exhale. Go down to your half forward bend, right? Pretending someone is putting both your hands forward. Palms facing each other. And one more breath, push yourself up to the standing right here. All right, now you just bring your hands behind, feet, hips apart, right? Hands behind your back, right? So you're gonna wrap your hands right hand around your waist. Have your left palm pushing against your right palm. So this open up this area right here. We're gonna stretch more when we go to the wall, okay? So palms, left palms, pressing your right palms right here, all right? And then you're gonna release. I'm gonna turn my body to the back. You're gonna try to walk your hands up, trying to touch your left upper shoulder there, right? And then you're gonna bring your left arm up, right? And just trying to meet your right fingertips.
All right, one more breath to release. Extend this arm out. We're gonna switch the side, right? You're gonna bring your left arm behind your back, right? Trying to wrap around your left back of your left hand around your your waist, and have your right hand press against your left hand, right? This is not exercise for you. You don't have this in your practice. You can just bring your hands behind your back like that. That's okay, okay? Or maybe bring this hand behind, trying to grab the, hold on to the wrists or the elbows, right? The key is to open up this area right here. All right, now you're gonna bring your hands, trying to touch your right shoulder blades with your back of your left hand, right? Walk your hands up, right? Then extend this arm up, trying to meet your right fingertips, right? You can use a towel or strap to help you as a prop right here. And just breathe, right? You want to tune into the sensation you feel in your body, right? That just instantly brings us to this present moment. All right, you extend your arms up and release, right? Just roll your shoulders, right? You probably feel tension right here. Like, you know, I feel it right here from my left shoulder, right? My left upper arm. And use your hand, just walk around this area, right? Bring your arms up, maybe walk here, using your hands, right? Touch the back of your left upper arms right here, right? So walk around and notice what you feel, right? And this might feel a little different from someone, you know, from someone else giving you a massage, right? This because you're touching yourself right now, right? Maybe you can feel some, you know, feel a little something deeper, right? Because this is your own body and your own feelings, right? And just walk your hands around, right? Like around the upper left arm, and then back of your arm, left arm, right? Walk your hands around the left shoulder. All right, and then we're gonna go to the wall, do a couple of things for our shoulders, right? So come to the wall, right? Have your arms, bend your arms, so your palms on the wall, right? And just press your arms and have your right foot forward, okay? And you're trying to rotate your body, bring this hand behind your back. All right, now you're gonna straighten your right arm right here, right? Shoulder level, palms down, and then trying to roll your body towards the left a little bit more, right? A little bit more. That's deeper stretch for the shoulder hand right there, okay? And just breathe, right? Especially when you feel tightness around the area. Right now, come back to the center, right? Switch to the side, okay? Let's bend our arms first, right? One foot forward, left foot forward. Bring this hand behind. And one more breath, you're gonna press, straighten your left arm, right? Trying to rotate your body to the left, to the right, okay? So really be gentle right here, right? So we don't want to force anything to happen. And now back to the center. Now you're gonna bring your hands, both hands on the wall, okay? All right, and your feet are away from the wall, right? Like feet hips apart, right? Trying to press your chest, your chin towards the wall. If it's too easy for you, you're gonna walk your feet a little bit away more from the wall, right? If it's too hard, you want to get a little closer, right? And also you want to press this area towards the wall, okay? And walk your hands up, right? If your hands are here, that's fine. And bring your belly to spine, right? Now push yourself away from the wall right here, right? Now back to the mat and take a deep breath in, hands above your head, right? And then exhale, forward bend, hands to the floor. Squeeze in the belly.
right? And bend your knees if you need to, or just squeezing your body a little bit more, right? Lean forward a little bit more, and then you're gonna grab opposite shoulders right here with the left arm on the top, right arm on the top, okay? Really just relax your head, your shoulders, right? You're gonna say yes and no with your head, okay? And then release, push yourself up to a half forward bend right here, right? Then exhale, we're gonna go down to the forward bend. Give yourself another hug right here. This is left arm on the top, right? You can just grab opposite elbows, right? Really squeezing your shoulder and squeeze and trying to squeeze your, squeeze your arms. All right, create a lot of space around your neck, and then just say yes and no with your head, okay? Just tell yourself everything is good, everything is okay, right? My body is perfect, right? Anything you need to hear for today. And I release, head on the floor, right? And just lower yourself to the squat and to a seat. And just hands above your heart, right? Take a deep breath in, inhale. And then exhale. Thanks for joining me for this short practice, right? Just allow this mindful movements to remind you to be present, right? Throughout the day, not just the time you're on the yoga mat or you're practicing or you're in a meditation, right? So what kind of awareness do you have, right? Throughout the day, every moment throughout the day. Sending you lots of love and light. See you in the next video.